Hi, friends. Today we're going to be working on some addition and subtraction. I've got a really cool resource I wanted to share with y'all that I got from the Palmetto Teacher Store. It works really well, and some of you might be familiar with it. I'll add a link down below if you want to work along with me. For this one, it can't be in slideshow view for us to solve it together, so you'll see my bar and some other extra things on the side. We're going to be doing adding with base 10, break it up, where we'll break down or decompose our numbers, operations matchup, comparing numbers, missing numbers, true or false, problem solving, real world problems, prove it, and number talk. I've also added an addition chart. Addition charts work the very same way that multiplication charts do, but your answer will be really different. For example, if we have 3 plus 3, we'll get to 6. Okay? So you can see 3 plus 1 is 4, 3 plus 2 is 5, 3 plus 3 is 6. If you're struggling with your addition facts, you can refer back to this anytime. Let's get started with our first one. There's a different color for every day. We'll start with adding with base 10. Add by moving base 10 blocks to the place value chart below. And then we'll record our answers in the colored boxes. Our first problem is 347 plus 213. Let's start by creating 347. How many do we need in our hundreds place? 3. Perfect. These are our ones, our tens, and our hundreds. This flat represents 100 tiny cubes. So let's start by adding 3. 1, 2, 3. How many are in our tens place? 347. Ones, tens, hundreds. Our tens place is 4. So let's grab our blocks. We'll put that in our tens column. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Perfect. Next and last, we need our ones place. 7. Let's grab 7 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now we have all 7 ones. So in cube form, 347. Now we're going to add 213. We're going to switch our colors so it's a little easier to keep track of. Let's start with our hundreds place. We need 2. Let's add 1, 2. Next is our tens place. We have 1 in our tens place. 1. Perfect. Next we have 2. Oops, sorry. We have 3 in our ones place. Jumped ahead of us. So we'll go 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Now we just need to count up what is in each column. This time we're going to start with the ones, just in case we need to add some to the next one. Okay. So we started with 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's add our 0. And that means we need to add 1 more to our tens. Boop. Adding another. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 in our tens place. Since we didn't go over 10, we don't need to add anything to the hundreds. We'll count them as they are. We start with 3, 4, 5. 560. 347 plus 213 equals 560. Did you get it? Let's reset our board. There might be a faster way to do this, but I don't want to try a bunch of things just in case it's not. So we'll pull all of our pieces down just as if we were in the classroom together. And we'll be swiping our math boards aside. Click, click, click. That keeps them in a row. Here we go. There we go. And now we're ready. Our board's clear again. Our first number is 627. How many numbers do we have in our hundreds place? How many? 6. Perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Next comes our tens place. 627. A 2. Perfect. 1, 2. Got it? It's our last one. 7. Good. Let's put 7 back into our ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Very good. Ready to do our next number? We have 132. How many is in the hundreds place? A 1. So we move just one block. One number is in the tens place. That's right, a 3. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Lastly, we have our ones place. 2. 1, 2. Let's count them up. 1 and 2. Okay. I like to start by adding on. So we had 7, 8, 9. 9. We start with 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops. There you go. Last, we started with 6 and added one more. 7. 7. I'm going to copy that so I can see if I can just zip all these guys away. That was much faster. Just remember to copy and paste. 627 plus 132 equals 759. Perfect. Ready for our last one? Why don't you get started for it? 581. Can you build it? Let's give it a try. If you'd like, we can start in the reverse order. I know some friends prefer that since we always add from ones to tens to hundreds. It's really up to you. Composing the numbers doesn't really matter the order. Adding, it does matter the order, left versus right. 581. How many hundreds? How many tens? How many ones? We'll start with the reverse order for my friends that prefer that. 581. 1 in the ones place. 8 in the tens place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And lastly, we have a 5 in the hundreds place. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's a big number. 581. Great job building it. Next, we'll do 417. Start with these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Perfect. 17. What's in the tens place? A 1. Good. Move just 1 rod over. 417. We want a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like our biggest number yet. Let's add them up. Remember, we always start at the ones place. 7 and 1 more. 8. 8 and 1 more. 9. 5 and 4 more. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's okay if you need to count each one. It's a lot to hold in your head at once. 581 plus 417 equals 998. Good. All right. Are you ready? Let's move on. We have a thousands place on this one. It's just adding one more number. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Notice our thousands is a cube. Instead of this flat of hundreds, it's 100 and 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 100. It's 10 hundreds. Okay. So let's build it the exact same way that we did all of our other ones. All right. Let's start with our ones place again so we don't lose our place. 2,372. Our ones place shows us a 2. So let's add 1, 2. After ones is tens. How many tens do we need? 7. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. Ones, tens, hundreds. How many hundreds do we need? 3. Let's grab our hundreds flats. 1, 2, 3. Good. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. How many thousands do we need? 2. Perfect. 1, 2. 2,000. We're going to add 4,531. Let's start with our ones. 1, 1. Ones, then tens. 3, good. 1, 2, 3, good. Ones, tens, hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 500s. Last one. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. How many thousands do we need? 4. Perfect. Oh, I almost grabbed the wrong color. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's our biggest number yet. Let's start from our ones and add towards the tens, just in case we have to regroup. Our ones, we have 1, 2, 3. 3. Our tens, we had 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 3 more. 8, 9, 10. Notice that we hit 10, so we need to put a 0 here and add 1 more to our hundreds. See that? There we go. Now, let's count our hundreds. 1, 2, 3 is what we started with. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Perfect. Now we've got one more to do. Thousands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 plus 4 is 6. And, so 2,372 plus 4,531 equals 6,903. Perfect. We're going to stop there for today. And next time, we will be working on how to break up numbers. It's going to work in a pretty similar way. It's how we're going to get it to expanded form. But until that time, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.